Hi everyone, this is KJM Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction, a video, the latest music video ng Beanie Cherry on Top official music video. So this is the day that the Lord has made, should I say. So if I'm not mistaken, the last time na gumawa ako ng reaction video sa Beanie, which was 4 or 5 months ago, which is the Salamin, and minanifest ko talaga while I'm making reaction video. Sinasabi ko talaga na magti-trending talaga to. Sabi ko, kasi napakinggan ko talaga yung kanta. Ang ganda talaga ng kanta. And wait lang, I cannot contain my happiness right now. Kanina, nag-aabang ako na mag-start ang music video ng Cherry on Top. And parang naninibago ako kasi yung concurrent viewers kanina is nasa 58,000, tapos naging 85,000, and then ngayon guys, nasa 103,000 viewers, concurrent viewers, sabay-sabay na nanonood. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine naluluha ako. Can you imagine the power of manifesting, the power of believing sa grupong to, sa Beanie, na parang, oh my God, parang, ang layo ng, ang layo talaga, ang layo ng tinahak nila, or grabe ang tinahak nila, maabot lang nila to. So far, ang concurrent viewers nila is nasa 106,316 watching right now. So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. I'm really excited to watch this. So disclaimer lang, maglalagay ako ng overlay, background music, and overlay something like overlay image na parang konting blur siya. Kasi this is under ABS-CBN. So for sure, copyright claims is waving. So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. I listened to this song already. I made a reaction video sa kanilang, at pinarform nila ng concert. Pero gusto ko kasi makita talaga how they will gonna story the said song through their choreography. The choreography nakita ko na, or the storyline of said music video itself. Gustong-gusto ko talagang makita. So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. Dami kong epas. Ay, hello. Ay, saan sino to? Ay, afam naman pala ang nais. Charis. Chas. Wow. I was expecting that it was Joanna. I thought it was Joanna. The tone of that voice, akala ko talaga si Joanna. But no, it's not. It's Beanie Aya, if I'm not mistaken. Ang ganda ng transition niya. Nasanay kasi ako sa mga music video nila na pag mga ganyong klaseng execution, ganyong klaseng something like nagki-change sila. Si Joanna palagi. It's Joanna talaga. So ngayon nagulat ako na it's Aya. Right? But wait a minute. The tone of the introduction of the song, kung hindi mo kilala ang Beanie or kung nakapikit ka lang ay mapapakinggan to. For example, sa Spotify, bigla na lang siya nag-play kahit wala naman siya sa playlist mo. Bigla na lang siya nag-play sa Spotify mo. Hindi mo talaga akalain na it's Beanie. Because it's Filipino, should I say. Kasi parang tunog foreigner siya. Ang ganda ng rhythm and beat. We are just in the first part of the said video though. And plus the color grading, ang cute ng effects, ng CGI effects. But wait, the color grading of the said video then, ang ganda, very refreshing. Very summer indeed. Colette! Oh, love that! Aya. Wow! Oh my God, I really love the attitude. I really love the aura nang ginano niya yung buhok niya. Typical Mika thing. No. I wanna si Maloy. Excited ako kay Maloy. Though Mika is my bias. Okay. Yes. Buong boss si Mika. Oh my God! Ang ganda ni Joanna! My goodness gracious! Ang ganda ni Joanna! Plus the music video, parang kakaiba! Parang kakaiba sa lahat ng music video ng Beanie na ginawan ko ng reaction video. Usually kasi walang ganitong klaseng transition na, like for example, mag-transition lang sila from bedroom to to garden or from garden to something like beach. Ganon ang transition na ginagawa nila. Pero this time, iba. Di, follow, oh. She's so pretty. Oh, Sheena. Cherry on top, cherry on top. Gusto ko yung kanina pa ako na LSS. I swear to God. Nagbubukas ako, nasa CR ako kanina. Nagbubukas ako ng pintuan. Cherry on top. Yun talaga yung kinakanta ko. Nakaka-LSS talaga siya. Oh my God, she looks like Nadine Lubster ito. Ganda nila. Oh my God, visuals are on point. As literal, ang ganda ng mga wardrobe. Well, ABS-CBN yan eh. Actually, Bini talaga pagdating sa wardrobe sa kanilang music video, given na talaga yan. But oh my God, the visuals, ang ganda. Pati the makeup. Okay. Granny. Si Maloy pala yung cherry on top. Yes. Oh, yes. Attitude. Oh, attitude. Attitude. Ganda ng part ni Aya. Dang. The pasarela daw. Look at the hips. Ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Oh yeah, the attitude. Ganda. Ganda. Oh, the harmonization. Wow. Not just the visuals, but the vocals are giving. Oh, love the ad-libs. Oh my God. Oh my God. Colette is singing. Ganda-ganda ni Colette. Ganda-ganda ni Colette. My God. R-R-Y. I love it. Ay, kinilig. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The cherry on top from Bini. My God, this visuals, it's really giving. I love it. I really love it. Ang perfect talaga. Ang perfect. Ibang-iba sa mga music video na napanood ko from Bini. As in, nag-level up talaga sila. So yeah, this is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!